Esorepair Drops are marketed as a supplement that claims to support digestive health, soothe the esophagus, and relieve symptoms such as acid reflux or irritation. The marketing can make it sound like a simple solution for ongoing digestive issues, but the real question is, can you trust the health claims? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in digestive supplements have been studied for supporting gastrointestinal health. However, that doesn't mean every finished product has been clinically proven to deliver all the advertised benefits. What it does well may support digestive comfort. Depending on the ingredients, it may help soothe occasional digestive discomfort. Easy to take. The liquid drop format is convenient and may be easier for some people than capsules or tablets. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a cure for digestive disorders. A supplement won't treat conditions such as severe acid reflux, ulcers, or other underlying gastrointestinal diseases. Evidence depends on the ingredients. Even if individual ingredients have research behind them, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers all of its advertised effects. Results vary between individuals. Diet, lifestyle, existing medical conditions, and the cause of symptoms all influence how well a supplement may work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.